Hey champs, let's take a quick walk through of Social Champ's much-loved feature, bulk upload. Here you can upload content in bulk and schedule multiple posts at once and save both your time and effort. So let's start rolling. Once on the Social Champ's dashboard, click bulk upload from the left column. Once in the bulk upload, first thing first, download a CSV file. Hold on, wondering how your CSV file should look like? Click the Details for Bulk Upload CSV File button below to find the guidelines and a drop-down on how a CSV file must look with respect to your post text, date, time, and visuals. Next, open up your CSV file and start filling it up. The CSV file has a column for everything you'll need to schedule your posts. In the first column, add the text for your captions. In the second column, add the year. The third column is where you add a month by entering a numeral between 1 to 12, and in the fourth column you enter the dates. Then you will add the hour in the fifth column by entering a number between 0 to 23, and in the sixth column add the minutes. Seventh and eighth columns provide you with spaces to add URLs for any images and videos you want to upload. Remember, always use public links for CSV files. In the ninth column, you can organize your post repetitions by adding a number between 1 to 10 or typing forever. And in the 10th column, decide the time gap between repetitions. Add a number between 1 to 24 for hours. You can even type weekly, monthly, or yearly for long-term repetitions. You can set up your Google My Business call to actions through the 11th and 12th columns by adding a Google My Business type and link. And the 13th and 14th columns let you add Pinterest titles and links for your Pinterest posts. Finally, the 15th column is the most in-demand feature of all. Here you can add custom content and hashtags that you would want to publish as your Instagram first comment. Now that your CSV file is amply filled up, uploaded. Choose your desired time zone from the drop-down and tap on Next. From the left panel, select the social media accounts you wish to schedule your CSV file on. Now, let Social Champ analyze all your posts to rule out any errors and failures. After the analyzing process is complete, tap on the Bulk Action drop-down from the left. Click Select Ready State. You can either edit or approve your post on the go. With the Select Error state, you can delete or edit your posts. With select all your posts. And Clear Selection will clear all the selected posts. Tap on Confirm Next. Your multiple posts are now scheduled with the bulk upload. Check out all your scheduled posts on the calendar. Save your time and post bulk content at once with bulk upload. Happy uploading, champs!